Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and at YouTube Studio. Now start the subtitle workflow. First, open content and pick the exact video you'll add captions to. Once the video page loads, click Subtitles on the left panel to view available language tracks. Choose Add for the language you need, or use Duplicate and edit an existing track. Make sure the language setting matches spoken audio so automatic timing and suggestions work better. This gets you into the editor, where you'll create or refine captions. Once you're in the editor, try auto-generate as a starting point, but always read through and correct misheard words and punctuation. For precise timing, drag the edges of caption segments or manually enter start and end times. That ensures on-screen text matches syllables. Play short loops and pause frequently to check sync. Make small timing tweaks rather than large jumps. Also split long captions into shorter readable lines so viewers can follow. Save changes often to avoid losing edits while you refine. After editing, watch the whole video with captions on to confirm flow and readability. Check for spelling and speaker clarity. When satisfied, click Publish to make the subtitles live, or keep them as draft if you need more checks. If captions look badly timed or auto-generation missed many words, export your transcript as text, correct it, then upload a formatted SRT file. This often fixes stubborn errors. If problems persist, clear your browser cache or try another browser before re-editing to.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.